Hi beautiful, here are some bow tutorials for you. So take a piece of ribbon, fold it and pin it like this. Now fold it to the opposite side like this. Now skewer it with the help of pin. Now take both of the edges and attach them with the tip of the folded part and sew them together like this. Now we need 6 parts of ribbon like this and a base. Now attach all of them together. Use any kind of embellishment of your choice, or beads or a lace of beads, and attach it with your bow and you are done. And next tutorial is also the same one, and here we are using a plastic sheet, a thin and soft plastic sheet instead of ribbon, and it is quite similar with the first tutorial. Here again we have attached the tip and the edges, and again we are going to sew them like this. Now pull the thread and attach 2 pieces with the help of a hot glue gun like this. Now attach any kind of strip or embellishment or any kind of lace of your choice. Here we are attaching a golden strip which is looking very beautiful, and it is done. I hope you are going to like it. Next again we are using a thin plastic sheet. Now fold it like this and sew it with the help of a needle. This is also very simple tutorial and it is a slower version. I hope you are going to like it. Now attach 2 pieces again with the help of a hot glue gun. Now here again we are using the same plastic strip. Give it 2 folds, zigzag folds. Repeat the same to the other side. Here we have a beautiful fold in it. Now wrap it around the bow and your beautiful and simple bow is ready. In the next one we are going to use a beautiful satin strip. We are using a double tape and we are folding it, and we are going to use 3 pieces and we are going to give them zigzag folds. Now skewer the folds with the help of a thread, and here we are using a glittery strip of the same color. Again we are going to fold it like this and attach it with the bow. And here we are using a beautiful embellishment. You can also use beads of your choice, and we are attaching a hairpin with it. And it is done. Next, again Again we are using a beautiful shocking pink strip. Fold it and attach another strip of the same length and sew them together. We have given same folds to both of the strips, and now we are going to sew them. Pull the thread and tie a knot to secure the folds of strips. Now attach two pieces and your bow is ready. I hope you are going to like it. So here is the most easier variant and easier tutorial of a bow. Here we are using ribbon. Simply give 2 or 3 zigzag folds and tie a knot around the folds. Now open the folds and your simple and beautiful bow is ready. Next one is also very easy. Fold the strip like this and again give cross folds, 2 or 3 folds, and give zigzag folds in the middle and secure them, and your bow is ready. Here is the most easiest tutorial of bow. Wrap the strip around your fingers once and then tie a knot in the middle like this. Now cut the edges and your beautiful and easiest bow is ready, and secure the edges with the help of a lighter. You can attach a hairpin with it. Here your beautiful hairpins are ready. I hope you are going to like all these tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.